Welcome back. I'm gonna attempt to braid my hair. I'm gonna be doing the tutorial of this girl I found on TikTok. I'm a full-on beginner. I've never done this before. It's Sunday. I have washed my hair. I'm about to blow dry it, and then we're gonna get into the braiding. Let's get started. Okay, we're blow dried. I'm going by the philosophy of the back of my head is none of my business. So I think I wanna start with what I want to look the best and then work on the back. Sorry, I literally totally forgot. So I did my middle part. It's very long, it's very cute, it's very pretty. One braid took me 5 minutes. I fed in, I think 4 pieces, which I've just been hanging on this mini whiteboard that I have. But BRB, I gotta focus, I gotta focus. She's getting buzzed down. And honestly, look how flat that is. Now we have the hard part. So what I bought on Amazon was this like 3-way mirror, which I think is supposed to be like, I pop it in and then I can see, you know, how I'm gonna part this goddamn hair. I've never done that before. And so I need to try and part. Let's just see how this goes.
Get it, girl.
No,
get it,
I
girl.
can't.
Take it to the flow. Show her how you roll.
It's too confusing. I do it like,
get it, girl.
it's not funny. I think I got something semi-decent. That's gonna have to do. All right, I'll meet y'all back once I've like cleaned this up a little. What time is it? 7:32. Now that I have a system going, I'm gonna show you guys how I do the braids. First thing I do is I take out at least like 10-15 pieces, as much as I can fit on a stand. The stand I'm gonna use today, this post right here from my cupboard. For me, what I'm working with, about this thin. All right, so the hair's prepped. All you need for this part, you're gonna want some Shine and Jam, your comb, using a scrunchie, just to make sure it's out of the way. And then let me just, I know that I'm gonna need a piece like kind of in front of my ears. I'm just gonna take this chunk. I'm gonna take the Shine Jam and I'm gonna pop on the top, underneath. I'm gonna do the side. Now from here, I'm gonna split it into 3. But once I've got my 3 pieces, this piece on the front of my face goes under. This is gonna go under, the middle piece will go over, and the farthest piece will come around to come through the middle. Now the technique that I learned was to braid the first like 1.5 inches away from your face. It gets you laid down. Now that I'm about 1 inch away, I want to add in my first piece of hair. Hopefully I can explain this. I've got these middle 2 pieces here and the 2 pieces of the hair. What I want is for this one to match with this guy and this one to match with the middle.
I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. I don't understand.
So I just grab them. Okay, now I have them in my hand and I continue the braid. So I take that back under, come back around, braid down some more. Pretty seamless. Then I go again. I braid till the part that has not got an attachment comes out. Like one goes to the outside, one goes to the middle. That's how I've been doing it. And I just kind of find a way to grab them both and then continue my braid. Sometimes when I feel like it's a little bit slippery, I just put some more gel on my finger and then continue braiding. That was your super close up. Now I'm about to braid it out. I'll probably add in a 3rd piece closer to the bottom just because I wanted mine a little bit longer. I leave about like a good little bit because I just can't do it, Captain. It's not right. Hopefully I can stick to it tomorrow. I don't know. I never know. Finally done. That's right. Clearly I've been procrastinating because I tried the mirror thing. That was not it. But I saw there was another hack where you could like FaceTime yourself. So I'm gonna try that today. I need to leave here at about 1 p.m. because I gotta go to an appointment. Oops, I was supposed to start an hour ago. If I can just part this in the hour and then come back, I think I'll be good to go. Okay, this could be the one. Okay, and now we're coming down. That took me 20 minutes. Wow. Okay, bye. I give up. It's May 4th, okay? I don't know what it is. It's been really tough for me. No more excuses. We don't blame the flower for not growing. We blame the environment. So I switched areas. I'm in a well-lit spot. I got my camera that's gonna be set up here. I have this desk here. I'm gonna do a little work. Got my laptop and watch a little show. We're getting it done. I feel like when you guys watch me, I can't get it done. So let me just try and get this back row. And if I get it, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back. I did it. Okay, it might look crazy. We did it. We did it. And I'm getting the hang of it. So like braiding down, braiding behind my head, that was not easy. 4 braids done. I think I can get this done today. Let me finish this up. I'll call you back. We're done. We're finished. Okay, don't get crazy, but I'm gonna show you the back.
Hell no. Come on, wait to the no, no, no. Come on, come on. Hell to the.
It's like this big open square. Shit. Well, what can we do? Next part, we gonna put on some. Are you a mirror reflection person? You see shit backwards? If you are, it's okay. Or does backwards make you go crazy? Then the FaceTime method works. I forgot to do a little video like how my hair looks. It is very not cute right now. I haven't had to brush my hair. I've washed it and it's been totally fine. Wow, my eyes are so swollen. I just look like a super athlete with long hair and it's super cute. Now that I've done it once, it's official.
I am now licensed.
Y'all need your hair braided, please click the link below. But you gotta come with your hair pre-stretched, blow-dried, and pre-braided. I'm gonna go work out now. See you next week.